Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dimas Aditya Faturrahman with NPM 2241100X. My from class management 22A. Here I will explain material about capital market. Next, definisi of capital market. The capital market is an activity related to public offering and securities trading. Public company relate to the securities they issue as well as institutions and professions relate to securities. The capital market is a market for sharing long-term financial instruments such as the securities, bond, mutual fund, and various derivative instruments from securities. Direction effect. Capital market function 1. Capital market as a means of equalizing income. After a certain period of time, the shares that have been purchased will profit dividend part of the company profit to the buyer's owner. 3. Selling shares through the capital market can be considered as a means of equalizing income. 2. Capital market as a means of increasing production capacity. With additional capital obtained from the capital market, company productivity will increase. 3. Capital market as a means of creating employment. The existence of the capital market can encourage the emergence and development of other industries which have an impact on the creation of new jobs. 4. Capital market as a means of increasing state income. Every dividend distributed to shareholders will be taxed by the government. The additional income through this tax will increase state income. 5. The capital market as an indicator of the country economy. The increasing density, activity, and volume of sales or purchase in the capital market give an indication that the business activity of various companies are running well. Vice versa. Example of capital market. An example of a capital market that can be found in Indonesia is the Indonesia Stock Exchange BI, or also known as IDX, Indonesia Stock Exchange. The BI office is located in Bilangan Sudirman, Jakarta. BI was formed in 2007 from the merger of the Jakarta Stock Exchange batch, which was founded in 1977 and the Surabaya Stock Exchange batch, which was founded in 1989. Currently, B has balances in capital stock to Indonesia. Benefit of capital market. 1. Benefit of capital market for issuer. The amount of fund that can be raised is large. This fund can be recovered at once when the primary market is finishing. There are no covenants, so that management can have more freedom in managing funds or companies. The company solvency is high, thereby improving the company's image. The issuer dependence on bank becomes smaller. 2. Benefit of the capital market for investor. Investment value grow following economic growth. This increase is reflected in the increase in share price with active capital gains. Obtain dividend for those who own or hold shares and also floating interest for bondholder. Can simultaneously invest in several instruments that reduce risk. Investment risk in the capital market. Investment risk in the capital market is related to the possibility of price volatility. Risks that investors may face include the following. 1. Purchasing power risk. The nature of investor in handling risk factor in the capital market consists of two, namely investors who do not like risk averse and investors who actually like to challenge risk averse. For investor, the investor category will look for or cost a table of investment that will profits that are at least the same as the investment made previously. Investor accept to receive income or capital gains the not to distant future. However, in the investment takes 10 years to raise 16% profit, while the inflation rate during that period has risen to more than 100%, then the investor will clearly recover profit was purchasing power is much smaller than the profit that could be obtained initially. 3. For purchasing power risk is related to the possibility of inflation causing the real value of income to be smaller. 2. Business risk. Business risk is a risk of reducing the ability to earn profit, which in turn will reduce the ability of the company issuer to pay interest or dividend. Next, 3. Interest rate risk. Rising interest rate usually put pressure on the price of fixed income security, including stock prices. Usually, increases in interest rates do not occur in the same direction as capital market instrument prices. The risk of rising interest rates, for example, will clearly reduce price on the capital market. 4. Market risk. If the market is bullish, generally almost all share prices on the stock exchange will increase. Conversely, if the market is sluggish, bearish, share will also experience a decline. Change in market psychology can cause security price to fall, regardless of fundamental change in the company profit-making ability. 5. Liquidity risk. This risk is related to the ability of a security to be traded immediately without experiencing significant losses. Capital market supporting institusi. 1. Primary market supporting institusi. Primary market supporting market institusi and their main tasks are as follow. Security underwriting, underwriter duties as follow. Profit advance on the following methods. Type of effect then shall be issued. Reasonable price for the security, duration of security, bond and result security. Instrumenting securities emission register statement assist complete administrative tasks related to the following. Filling in a security emission register statement document. Preparation of prospectus. Designing effect specimen. A company assured during the evaluation process. Conclusion. Investment can be done in various ways. One of it is by utilizing the capital market. The capital market carries out two functions at once, namely an economic function and a financial function. In the capital market, there are several instruments that are of concern, namely shares, and bonds. Apart from capital market instruments, when investing in the capital market, you must be aware of the type of risk such as purchasing power risk, business risk, interest risk, rate risk, market risk, and liquidity risk. Understanding several types of risk in the capital market will make it possible to create strategies. For example, collecting several types of shares in one portfolio. Buying on the primary market and selling on they are listed on the stock exchange. Buying and holding, buying sleeping share stocks with strategies, consulting on certain industry, and so on mutual fund. That's all my presentasi. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.